Alright, what's up everybody? It's Chris, CR Lewis Electrical Service. Now we're headed back across town, the house I was at a couple days ago. Take a look at a hot water heater and a dryer circuit. See what's going on with that. It's always something to do. So we will be back shortly. See you in a few.
One of the more fun things about woman Hemi, she likes the gas. Well, that won't too bad.
Well, we arrived at where the hot water heater is and I have to look for a dryer circuit. We'll see what they say about recording in there. It should just be my cousin Shane. Everything should be fine. I see him looking through the window. Now, anyway, let's see what's going on. So I don't know where this thing stopped. It just cut off. So hopefully it cut off everything. Can't really get a good spot to show what I'm trying to do. Feel like George Clooney and Big Brother were out there. Damn, we're in a tight spot. We're just trying to disconnect. Then we're going to check voltage on this two wires right here. Well, for some reason, we are losing voltage from the panel box. Got 123 on one leg, 13 on the other. Not fun, so we're going to have to figure out why it is not. Hey, look, use my environment. See, we got 246 here at the breaker. 123 on the red, 123 on that. So cut this off. Let's see what this has got going on in here. Alright, so instead of going under the house right this second, I decided to try something else real quick. Once again, sorry that it ain't real good visual in here, but they did run a 3-wire in here. A black, a red, and a white with the ground. So I'm going to try and hook up the white wire as a hot, seeing how something is going on with the black. This will allow keep us from having to go under the house. It's cold. It's a sub-grade crawl space, man. You got to climb in to go down. then climb up to get out. $120. $120. $247. All right, so we got the hot water here taken care of. One of the hot legs was damaged, but with whatever used to be in there had 10-3, so I could just use the white wire for hot. We went through, checked everything, all the way down to the element in the water heater. Make sure that they had 240 in them. So right now we got to run to City Electric. That's where I get most of my stuff from, just because it's right beside my house, well, close to my house. We're going to add a Drier outlet in, and we're going to have to put a new box in and all that good stuff. So, probably be able to give you a better video of that. I have no way of securing my camera while I'm driving. So, sorry if it makes you sick. Bye-bye. Okay, welcome back, everybody. We are fixing to put in this Drier outlet. So what we're going to end up doing, we're going to go from that to a 2-gang box. Drier outlet with a nice cover. Power is off. I just checked it, so we're going to have to cut this box out, which shouldn't be too difficult because there's no connector in it. We'll pop them nails out. This box should come on out. Should be the key word. Sorry about that. But like I said, this wire should come on out. We're going to slide them nails out and get to cutting. May try to do a time lapse while we're cutting, because I'm sure nobody wants to hear the isolating tool ripping and roaring. But anyway, here we go. Check our dikes, find out which way these nails go. Be that way. No, we'll try not to let the box fall in the wall. Feed the wire back in. Bam, we got the handyman special out of the wall. Don't look like it's been in there too long. So I'd say you can push the wire back in here. I know it ain't gonna go nowhere. We got a stud right there. I'll try to line it up like this right here. The old hole is a little bit bigger than this box. But if for some reason that box does not want to sit inside the wall with having this stud right here, I can set some screws in there to let it hold the box in. So right now we're going to cut the sheetrock out. Everybody's favorite thing to do. I tear sheetrock up, I don't repair. So we got that cut out. That'll fit beautifully, except for right there. Probably gonna set a screw in it. Either way. Pull out the old Mojo screwdriver. Pop that in. Go ahead and trim some of this wire. We don't need a foot of it. Tighten this up. Got to be easy with this one because these ears will bend so quick. I'm gonna be right back. We'll go get some screws to secure this to the stud. Back. We're going to pop 2 screws right here in the side. If this was pole barn garage, these would be self-tappers. As he says, the Lord's fastener. Yeah, I will round it out a little bit, but it is okay. So, this is the dryer outlet for a 2-wire system. We're going to take and go ahead and strip a wire here in there. Put the cover on. And we'll test it. The ground right here. Bottom. The white. Torque these down. That's torqued. That's torque. Last one. That's torqued. Get these folded in here all nice, civilized like. Just so you can see what we got going on in there. I don't have a way of providing different angles right now. This is like the second attempt at a video. Put my screws right here so I don't lose them. Do that. We don't use the ugga-dug on that. Nice clean cover. My Klein screwdrivers. Get her started. There's one. Always have the ground right here. It's going down, and always make sure my screws are lined in the up position. This is very tight. Yeah. Check our voltage. 240. 123. 123. So good to go. Thank you for coming by today, checking us out. Thank you for sticking to the end. If you made it to the end, please be sure to hit the like, subscribe button. Leave a comment, let us know what we do to be better. Something y'all may like to see. Like I said, we will be doing some different things on here, not just doing electrical work. And hopefully we're going to get better with all this videography stuff. Thanks, and we'll see y'all next time.